Hey guys, so welcome to the video, and today, as you can see as the title, um, so the challenge, not really a challenge, but the video will end if I get something I like with fishing. And as you can see, my rod is like good, like it has a lock of C3, unbreaking 3, lure 3, mending, and yeah, so. There will be a time lapse because I know this will be boring. And so the fishing will start now. Okay, so I got a bow and it's good. It's Infinity 1.1, but trash. It's not actually trash, but I'm gonna sell it in my shop. So if you're whoever's watching this, like Mr. Dablol and whoever who is in this realm, um I have a shop like beside Mr. Dablol's shop. So yeah, and there's a lot of signs because I sell a lot of things. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got a book, so let's see what's this. Oh, okay, this is a bad book. Okay, so I don't know what's Bane of Arthropods, but I think it's a bad book. So okay, back to fishing. Okay, so I just fished a book. Oh, feather falling, but yeah, I already have feather falling, so yeah. Okay, so I got a fishing rod. Oh, I'm breaking three lock velocity. What? Wait, is it? Wait, I think it's exact copy. Look. What? Someone. I have an exact copy of my fishing rod. Well, I don't need that, but wow, that's so nice. Okay. Okay, so I got a bow. I hope it's good. Oh, it's only punch one. That's not good. Okay. Okay, so I got a bow. I hope it's good. Oh, no need. Okay, back to fishing again. Okay, guys. So I got a fishing rod. No need. Okay, there's so much stuff I don't need, and it's enchanted. Okay, so I can't get anything good. It's like almost done. Wait, I have one more slot, and wait, I'm what? Why do I need to go fishing if it's right here?